Welcome to episode 2 of Never Ever Cooks. I'm your host, Jim. Never Ever, Jim. You can call me either of those, but not asshole and bitch and idiot. You do not get to call me that, or I will report your comment to the authorities of Google and YouTube. So do not comment that, or your comment will get reported to Google LLC and Google and YouTube. So do not, I repeat, do not comment those things, those mean things on my channel. Let's cook now. Stir it up real good. I got these cool glasses on, so it looks stupid. Well, not stupid, but yeah. Don't call me anything controversial in the comments down below. No. Once again, I repeat, nothing controversial about me or Ken or anybody in this house, even the cat. So let's try. Let's try this shit. Let's try this shit. Shit. That tastes horrible. Who the fuck would eat that? Horrible. Alright, now let's taste it again. For the 100th time I've tasted it, it is actually good for once. Yay! I am level 1 in cooking. Actually, I am prestige master in cooking. I prestiged 100 million times. Okay, let's try this shit. Take the fucking pot thingy off or whatever. Now let's taste. Oop, wrong side. Stupid readers who need this piece of shit. Making another episode of Never Ever Cooks. I know it's too late to be doing this, but whatever. Alright, that's it for this episode. I know it was a little short, but whatever. Bye-bye, see you in the next episode, episode 3. And that's the finale, series finale. Bye-bye, guys.